Would you take a look at that, guys? What a beautiful sight. Nvidia officially hit all-time highs today for the first time in months at over $143.80. And guess what? We have to break down everything that you need to know in this video about the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do, and analysts that are still very bullish on the stock heading into earnings. I think actually one analyst has an $190 price target on Nvidia stock. So we have a lot to cover. Hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and do not forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and you get a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, the clock's ticking. This deal's a no-brainer, so check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So, man, Nvidia broke out all day today in the midst of a pretty rocky red day, for that matter, for the stock market. It didn't matter. Nvidia stock just kept on pushing. In the pre-market, we were at $136.75, which, wow, makes me realize we went up a lot today. Percentage-wise, 5% from the bottom in the pre-market to where we closed. But, yeah, we hit $136.75 in the pre-market. We opened up at around $138. We broke out at open and, again, got all the way up to $143.85 with really minimal pullbacks throughout the day. And here on the 5-day, 5-minute chart, you guys can see officially now we're up $15 off the lows from just a week ago, literally less than a week ago, 6 days ago. We hit 128, so we are up around 11.7%, almost 12%, guys, which is unbelievable. So Nvidia now, with today's move, not only did we go to all-time highs, obviously, but we also broke out of the highs from last week, and it looks like the week before, obviously. But yeah, we took out the highs from Wednesday, or no, this was Thursday, and I believe Monday, right? So we're out of there, which is huge for the bulls. Here on the 30-minute chart, it's obvious the uptrend's continuing. On the 20-day chart, you name it, right? We are breaking out like no other. And on the 4-hour chart, you guys probably remember the ascending triangle that we had outlined. That might have been in my last video I made on Nvidia. Either way, this is now playing out. You guys can see clearly if I zoom in, we have a triangle. We were making higher lows into this resistance being about 140, 141, and here we are. Now we're breaking out 143.75 is where we're at in the aftermarket as the market's just closed 10 minutes ago. And who knows, man? Who knows how much higher this could go? It's breaking out for, from what we're seeing now, and this could send it up to 150, dare I say higher, before the end of the year. I mean, who knows how much higher this could go now that it's finally starting to break out after a couple of months of not doing anything. Just now we've surpassed the highs from back in the middle of June. We're talking 4 months ago, guys. So this could send the stock up a lot higher. I don't know, just a guess. And, of course, full disclosure, I'm long. I bought in the 90s, low hundreds. I bought the breakout at 130, which I'm happy I did that because I suspected something like this could happen. And here we are now at 145, right, pretty much. So, yeah, what do you guys think? Where do you see it going in the short term? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And let me actually get this article up. And by the way, guys, don't forget to sign up to the email list if you want me to send you my top 3 stocks every Monday right to your email. Check out that link down below in the description box. It's free, no spam, no BS. Just put your first name and your email, and boom, you're going to get, my top 3 stocks every single Monday right to your inbox. So Nvidia, Wall Street, yeah, you guys have heard of Wall Street, right? They're still extraordinarily bullish on Nvidia. We have a couple of Wall Street analysts holding firm to their bullish positions on the stock ahead of their earnings, which are coming out in November. Don't worry, guys. We'll talk a lot about Nvidia as they're getting closer to their earnings. So let me show you this. We can see a couple of analysts here. It looks like here, a couple of Wall Street analysts reiterated their buy ratings on Nvidia, citing strong demand for AI. Okay, Bank of America on Friday raised its price target on the stock from $165 to $190 per share, while investment research firm CFRA raised its price target for Nvidia last week from $139 a share to $160 per share. And is that a pizza? What the heck is that? Wait a second. No, that's a salad. It looked like a pizza for a second. I'm getting distracted here, guys, with these ads. It looks like here it says Asians. Oh, that's funny. Asian sensation. That's pretty good. Good marketing right there, guys. Might get me to get the salad here. Asian sensation salad. Okay. But yeah, where was I? Bank of America analyst, they increased their price target. CFRA, investment research firm, they increased their price target. And overall, analysts see shares rising to $148.37 over the next 12 months. Looks like on average there, according to Bloomberg consensus estimates. And to be honest, man, I think over the next 12 months, we're going higher than that, but I get that is the consensus. It makes sense. We're going to have some higher, some lower, whatever. But I would say over the next 12 months, my year-end price target, by the way, was $140, $150. In the next 12 months, though, let's say this time next year, I wouldn't be surprised if we're anywhere between 160 to 175, maybe even higher. You know, if you want to go really bullish, go like 190 plus, like Bank of America, right? But yeah, that's kind of my target, 160 to 175. You know, we have a lot of bulls on Wall Street. You know, Dan Ives is probably the biggest one. He said there, it looks like here, he said, quote, there's a tidal wave of enterprise spending as AI use cases explode. Yup, no doubt. Ives forecast the AI infrastructure market to grow tenfold between now and 2027, which is not far away at all, with companies spending $1 trillion on AI capital expenditures in that time frame. So he's obviously extraordinarily bullish. In a nutshell, we believe the stage is set for tech stocks to see another 20% move higher in 2025, with this tech bull market just hitting its next phase, led by the AI revolution. I've said, in our opinion, as the Fed and Powell have kicked off its aggressive rate cutting cycle, macro soft landing remains the path, and tech spending on AI remains a generational spending cycle, just starting to hit the shores of the tech sector. So if Dan Ives is right, we're going to get a tenfold. That's insane. I think he said for what? AI spending, or what was it exactly? Either way, that would be insane. If he's right, if we're going to get a tidal wave of enterprise spending on AI, this could just be the start for Nvidia. The stock price could go a lot higher, not guaranteed, obviously, but man, there's a lot of bulls out there. Wall Street's very bullish. Ives is very bullish, obviously, and I'm bullish. I'm excited to see how it plays out. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. All-time high has been hit. We're pushing even more in the aftermarket, and I couldn't be more hyped up for Nvidia stock. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and let me know your thoughts. And shout out to everybody, each and every one of you that have joined the Patreon. Shout out to all the new members. If you guys want to check it out, links down below, or go to stockssurefest.com/Patreon. I have a portfolio there, a real money portfolio that I'm building. I'm buying stocks. I'm putting in money every single week. In fact, I just put money in today, bought another stock today, guys. So if you want to see me build out my real money portfolio, full transparency, and you get to see the performance, plus get access to the Discord chat, my charts and ideas, and me throughout the week, all of that's on Patreon. It's a no-brainer, guys. Check it out. Link down below in the description, comment section, or go to stockssurefest.com/Patreon. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.